Hello, my fellow creators, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am participating in Team Tiny's Inspiration Hop, and my inspiration was Nancy May, the Handy Scandy. When I went back and looked through so many of her videos, I saw the wonderful creations she made using stencils. So naturally, I had to pull out a stencil and a die cut and try and make my own cards. I'll be using my Distress Oxide inks in Scattered Straw, Victorian Velvet, Tattered Rose, and Dried Marigold. And the stencil I'm using is Freestyle Flowers by Simon Says Stamp. I began by doing ink blending using Tattered Rose across the entire panel. Once I do my light ink blending with this first ink color, I'll then go in with Dried Marigold and Victorian Velvet and just do some stenciling over a few of the floral images on the stencil. I mean ink blending over a few of the images on the stencil. Once I was happy with my ink blending, I pulled out some orange cardstock from my stash. This is probably some Recollections cardstock. It's just some of the pre-cut panels I had in my bin of cardstock. I'm then going to go ahead and layer the stenciled panel onto that orange cardstock. And I cut out the shadow die from that same orange panel, and the word die I cut out from a shimmery cardstock, again from my stash. I'm not sure where it's from. I then went ahead and adhered the sentiment to the shadow using my Barely Art craft glue. And then once I have that adhered, I will pop up the sentiment using some foam tape from Dollar Tree that I just placed on the back of the shadow. Although I think the card panel looks cute as it is, I thought adding a few of these Studio Katia pink gems would add a little bit of sparkle. So I went ahead and added just a few throughout the card using again my Barely Art craft glue. Now these two panels I made before the previous card. They were drying while I worked on the previous card. And with these, I just ink blended the white cardstock, and then I used the stencil over the ink blending using Moonstone Glimmer Paste by Nouveau on one of them and using Bow Bunny Sugar Glitter Paste on the other. And then I pulled out some more of my cardstock from my pre-cut bin of cardstock, cut out the shadow layer from the coordinating cardstock, and added those to the panels. Be sure to stop by all the other creators on the Team Tiny Inspiration Hop. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribed to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.